We're bottling today at Gregory Vineyards. Moving our wine down from the tanks. Goes into the filter. Up into the blend tank. Bottles fill up on the bottling carousel. They go around, Lane pulls them off, corks the bottles. Each one gets a cap. Heat seal it. Then it goes into our labeler. Show me one, Adam. Let's see the bottle.
There you go.
There we go. Freshly bottled Betty Faye. Come on down to see us today at Gregory Vineyards. We'll be glad to have you and treat you to a tour.